Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cook with Shree. Today I am going to make raw jackfruit Manchurian. For the recipe, we need boiled raw jackfruit, all-purpose flour 1 cup, corn flour 2 tablespoons, red chilli powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon, salt to taste, red chilli sauce 4 teaspoon, onion 1 cup, tomato half cup, tomato sauce 3 teaspoon, sugar 1/4 teaspoon, soya sauce 2 teaspoon, capsicum half cup, oil to deep fry. Let's begin the recipe. In a bowl, add all-purpose flour, corn flour, salt, then add red chilli powder, black pepper powder, ginger garlic paste, water and mix it well. The batter should not be too thick or too thin. Turn on the gas stove, keep a pan, add oil and let it heat. Now dip the jackfruit pieces into the batter and deep fry them. Again, turn on the flame and keep a kadai. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add onions and saute for 30 seconds. Now add ginger garlic paste and fry until the raw smell goes off. Now add capsicum, tomato and saute for 30 seconds. Now add salt, sugar, soya sauce, red chili sauce, tomato sauce and give a good mix. Now add fried jackfruit pieces and mix it well. At last, add coriander leaves for garnishing. Raw jackfruit Manchurian is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.